37.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
I understand she didn't. Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E.
Okay, so all her shit is saying that's her right seat.
I'm sure we've all taken a plane at some point in our lives, and for some of us, sitting next to the window is ideal. However, this was not the case for a young lady in May 2024. Officers were called to a Spirit terminal in response to a young woman who refused to get off the plane after sitting in someone else's seat. She stated to the flight attendants that she did not want to sit in the seat she paid for. To make matters worse, she photoshopped a fake seat assignment to fool the officers when they arrived.
Yo, savage, bro. Hey, I ain't never heard about it. That was smart, though. She photoshopped her seat arrangement, bruh.
With her?
Hey, yo, people be getting sick with this AI and Photoshop shit.
Spirit flight employees stated that the woman asked for the cops to be called and insisted that everyone be removed from the plane because she wasn't going anywhere. She said that the pilots had no choice but to fly the plane because she said so.
Who the fuck is she? Hey, yo, she must be the queen of England or something, yo. I said fly. I said
All right, I'm gonna have to. What's her name? Have her come up here.
Hey, look at my man. I'm so embarrassed, bro. Like, this bitch is crazy, bro. Like,
can you ask her to come up here, please?
She's not gonna come.
My man looks so embarrassed right there. Like, bro, they had me all on camera and shit, man. I'm trying to go.
How are you?
Niggas is playing.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
I'm sorry.
Today.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sorry about that. But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned seat.
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody up?
Why the fuck won't you sit in your seat? What is it, all the way in the back or something?
It's the app. View my boarding pass. Why would I make that up? Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You think I'm going to waste my time?
Ma'am, it says 13E.
That's where I am.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen.
37E, not 13. It says 13.
Because isn't everyone else seated?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but I've been so disrespected. Do you understand? I'm just trying to get to Chicago. I have a funeral tonight. I've been working
Chicago. She's a Chicago woman. I got you.
I'm tired.
She's with the thuggish, rugged bone.
Relax. Just take it down just a little. I'm trying to help you.
Let's get it.
Okay, let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm gonna give it right back. I'm on
that little turkey house. You know what I mean?
I don't think that you're gonna take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera. You see what I'm saying?
Okay. Let me see what I can do.
I'm not from Florida.
Let me see what I can do.
Okay. You know, you trying to get back to Chicago.
Then everything should be fine.
Why would I make this up?
Well, because everything is here saying that you're supposed to be 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is.
They mixed it up, which
give me
they
1 minute.
need to fix.
Let me see.
That's not
That's the app, right?
Yes,
it's the app. Okay. Give me 1 minute.
My man just grabbed the phone like, just give me this shit, yo.
Okay.
You got me?
Let me talk to the captain. Hey, sir. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but if she refreshed, she would have seen receipt.
A screenshot.
Damn, them niggas standing guard like. Yo said, let me talk to the captain. They move over. That's some gangster shit. It's the captain's heavily armed. That's
I understand she. Hey, sir. There's an issue with her.
Damn.
On her app, it's saying 13E. So the thing is, with the ticket, her and Spirit, something happened. But she's supposed to be, from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. But now she's being told she got to go to. So
My man really trying to help her out though.
But something's
like,
got to give with her in spirit. Then it's not. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of an error. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying with the flight instructions, that's a no bueno.
No, I understand that.
Flight instructions on the airplane, she's not going to comply with the air. I don't want her on the airplane.
No,
my man said, "Hey, I don't give a fuck what she say. If she's not complying with instructions,
plane anyway.
That's a no bueno.
Officers then
No
went
bueno.
to ask her politely to remove herself to
Well, none
avoid
of that.
deporting everyone from the plane.
I don't know. But
Take her off,
tell
bro.
you right now. What's your name again?
Why don't you ask?
Give her another plane ticket or refund her money. I don't want her on here.
I don't know your name because I don't have
nigga.
Let's have a conversation.
No bueno.
So I'm gonna take. Listen, that's fine. You don't want to have a conversation? That's fine.
Yo, look at Shorty in the back. She just looking at her like, man, bitch, if you don't get your dumb ass off this plane.
I'm gonna take this. I'm give you your last warning.
Everybody look like they want to go home, bruh.
I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning.
Oh no.
Alright. She says she's not coming.
Look at her. Come on. Hey, yo, they gonna beat her ass when they get off that bus. I mean, I said bus. When they get off that plane. That made me think of some smooth shit. Get off the bus with them. Damn, they is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I be pissed.
I tried.
God.
We came here was the police.
He said it happens.
Yeah, they were here earlier. For a different
Hey, yo, they cool as shit though about it.
Flight. 36 earlier, different flight. An incoming flight.
Oh, man. People cool with that shit though. I wouldn't have been cool with that, man. They would end up kicking me off the damn plane next. I would definitely wouldn't have been cool with that shit. In the fist.
So mom and daughter underage child.
While they're waiting, let me get a picture of your ID. Yep. Let me get a picture of your ID. Oh, you have your ID on you?
I just talked to the chief.
They really guarding that man, yo.
Just to let you know. Twice in Atlanta, this is the third
Oh,
time.
really? One of those days.
Here's the other thing. She's in a fucking exit row. You got somebody emotionally disturbed and upset, and now they're in an exit row.
Yeah. Who knows if she's telling us? Yeah. What is your?
You're not saying.
He said she emotionally disturbed.
Oh,
I don't think anybody ever lied to me in all my years on the police department. Nobody ever lied to me.
Yep. What's your phone number, sir?
954.
Yeah, honestly, there were some people willing to give up their seats for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He said nobody's ever lied to me about
I
it.
believe they were exiting out. Hey, I'll give up my seat for her. I'm like, too late. You know, I don't even.
Man, it's always a first or something.
You know.
No, she's not moving out. She's just.
She's adamant because of the fact it says, and
Always
I
a
told her, I
first.
said, this happened to me before. I showed up for my flight, my seat was changed. Because, and it says it right there, it says, you know, subject to
Hey, they
change.
said she shot that motherfucker. So,
Try,
hey,
but it is what it is.
she adamant because she
That's it.
believe in her own lie. What is that smoke?
All right.
That man got a humidifier right there.
You just thought, well, guess what? Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. I tried to help her.
Yeah, supervisor got on all white.
Yeah.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
You gonna come off the plane? Or we gonna let us use force against you? Alright.
You really want to go to jail?
She's still on the plane.
Okay, let's not make it a second time or a third time. Let's just get off the plane. This is the final chance. Because once the handcuffs go on, there's no negotiating. That's it. Either get off the plane or go to jail.
I've been to jail before.
I'm not doing it.
Don't make it a second, third.
One last chance. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail.
What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail. You choose right now. What do you
That's
wanna
the
do?
problem. You're not doing
What do you wanna
anything.
do?
You're supposed to be doing something by getting your shit off that plane and you off that plane right now. Like
Stand up and walk off.
that's you doing something.
5. You stand up and walk off, you can rebook.
They putting gloves on you. They about to tase you, mace you,
Now you're going to jail.
and freaking throw your ass off the plane.
Come on, stand up. 10-4. It's going with your stuff.
Dang, that was a lot of freaking work right there to get you up.
That's your only bag, man?
He just grabbed your arms and you stood up like it was nothing. You could have just stood up and didn't go to jail. A lot of pride there, lady. Strong woman. That was stupid. Fucking stupid. I respect you for standing your ground. That was dumb, Shorty. You ain't even put up a fight. You could have gave us a fight to see. You know what I mean? All that. I'm not going nowhere. You made everybody get off the plane. Made the supervisor show up in the white outfit like she was about to do something. She trying to. Damn, right. She almost smacked you with the door. That'd have been, look, that's why she said, don't get me locked up. I almost assaulted you. They would have had to lock her up with some camera. Can't let that slide.
The woman was arrested and taken to the local jail free of charge. She was banned from Spirit Airlines for 5 years and was ordered to pay a fine. This is a clear reminder of why it's better to follow the pilot's rules,
said we
because when
took
the
her
pilot says go,
to the
you
jail
gotta
free
go.
of charge.